Hello boys and girls, here we are back with application of trigonometry. We are gonna solve some from your PS. The question is in front of you, right? The question says a ladder is on the platform of a fire brigade van which can be elevated by an angle 70 degree to the maximum, okay, and the height of the platform is given to me from the ground is 2 meter, and the ladder can be extended up to only 20 meter, okay, from the ground, and I need to find height from the ground up to which the ladder can reach. Okay, so here it is the van, right, whose platform is 2 meter, and here it is the wall, you can say, and the ladder that is 20 meter in length can reach the top of the wall. Okay, and this is the ground level, and I need to find the distance LG, that is the height up to which the ladder has reached. Okay, so this is the description of our sum. Angle of elevation made by the ladder is nothing but angle LVQ, that is 70 degree, right? And if you observe the sum carefully, you will come to find the height LG over here. We have two sections, LQ and QG, right? If somehow I'm able to find these two parts, then ultimately by adding these two I can find the height LG. Okay, this is our action plan. If you observe the quadrilateral made over here is nothing but the rectangle, and you know why? Because VN over here and QG over here is perpendicular to the ground, so ultimately this quadrilateral will be rectangle, and as it is rectangle we can say opposite sides are equal. That makes VN equals to LG. Am I clear to you all? VN equals to QG, sorry, not LG, QG. That will be 2 meter. So we got first part 2 meter, and I'm waiting and I'll be doing certain activities or certain operations to find the LQ. Okay, let's move on. As you know the action plan, what we need to do and what we not to do. So here, and one more thing, in the question we are given with sine 70. That means whichever the triangle we are going to consider, that triangle we have to utilize sine 70, and that is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. Then ultimately this is hypotenuse and this is opposite for the 70. Exactly, means we have to consider triangle and we have to apply sine 70 in that triangle, trigonometric ratio, to find the LQ, and that will be our second step of the action plan. The sum itself has given us the clue for the second step. Okay, so I guess I'm very clear with the steps and all, and we are ready to move ahead. The first step, mention all the details, whatever we decided, whatever we described in the diagram, right? The details are what is VN, what is VQ, what is VL, its length, and sine 70. Don't forget to mention it. It's special information, the one which is giving us clue. Angle LVQ is equal to 70 degree, that is angle of elevation, and here we go with the first step. VN and LG both are perpendicular to NG, right? And that makes VNGQ is a rectangle, and when VNGQ is rectangle, we can say VN is equal to GQ, making it 2 meter, and that is what we needed. That is the first part of our action plan. Okay, reason opposite sides of rectangle, right? So now we don't want that question part, so here now time to move ahead with the second step of the action plan, because we know now GQ is 2 meter, right? Now we will be trying to find out LQ by applying sine 70 in the triangle. So which is the triangle? LVQ. Angle V is equal to 70 degree, and we know sine 70 is nothing but opposite upon hypotenuse. That makes LQ upon 20. Hypotenuse is what? VL, that is VL equal to 20 meter, which is given already in the question. Okay, sine 70 again given in the question itself, and by applying simple mathematical operational rules, we can say this 20 can be shifted to 0.94 into multiplication, correct? And here it is our next step, and after doing multiplication we get the value 18.80 meter, and we have successfully found both the values that we needed to find the height of GL, that is the wall up to which the ladder can reach, correct? So move on, and the very best way to mention the detail is what, betweenness property. If you observe, G dash Q dash L can be seen in the diagram, right? Mention that, and that will help us to write the formula. GL equals to GQ plus LQ. Mention the details which are encircled by me presently there, and we get answer GL equals to 20.80 meter, and don't forget to write the final statement. Ladder can reach up to 20.80 meter from the ground level. Okay, I hope I made it very clear to you.